just everything, man. But we at my little stop right now, so me and Toot gonna jump out and take care of this business right quick. Let me unplug that power for you right quick, Toot. We gonna jump out and handle the business right quick. Y'all follow me though. What you tell me last time? You say when you get that thing figured out and you know what you want, then you come back and see me. So I'm coming back to see you.
I mean, if you could do them, do both of them. Go ahead and give her your name and number, and when I get them cut, I'll give you a call.
All right, so y'all see it. My man done bust that one down. One head went straight, so we gonna go ahead and get both of them done. Once he get them done, I'm gonna get that call back. And this my boy Pepper right here.
How you doing?
I always deal with him. You know what I'm saying? He's busy right now, but if he wasn't busy, he'd be back here cutting crazy with you.
I'll run up there and give you your name and number.
All right.
And as soon as I get them done, might be tomorrow, might be first thing Friday, but I'll get them.
Man, look here, take your time. You know how it works.
Well, I understand this.
All right.
You pick them up Friday.
Okay.
No later than Friday.
All right then. So y'all see how that is, man. Y'all see how business get done, man. You know, it's a lot of love over here. That's what I deal with them. So we gonna go up front and we gonna get the paperwork straightened out. Yeah, we back. Your boy Rich Everything, JT Verified, and we got a little phone call, so we just want y'all to enjoy the ride so y'all can see where we're going. We might put a little bit of humor into this one right here, but stay tuned. Yeah, we finally pulling back up. You see my boy Toot. He kicked back, relaxed, you know what I'm saying, ready to step back in the thing. Y'all ain't gonna believe where we at, man. You feel what I'm saying? We spent, matter of fact, I ain't even gonna tell y'all how much time we spent, because we wasn't gone long enough to grab something to eat. If y'all watching this video right here, this part 2. But between these 2 videos, we was going long enough to grab something to eat and print out some paperwork. And those are no more than I'm gonna say about, now a little longer than 10 minutes. I say about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour. So, we about to jump back out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned, we're gonna flip the camera around and Toot gonna follow me in, so we're gonna take care of what we gotta take care of. Yeah. Business. Open the door for my cameraman, let him slide in first. Bye. by looking around, y'all already know where we back at. Y'all know where we back at. Y'all should know what's about to go down. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all see my partner on lunch break over there. Look at us. We on lunch break now. Hydrated, man. What show would you drink? Gatorade. Y'all out here drinking these soda stuff. He on that Gatorade. We take care of this bill. Y'all already know where we at. Like I said, man, it's crazy. We was only gone. This part 2 of the video, but we was only gone for about 45 minutes. So let me take care of this little light bill, and then we gonna take y'all back around back so we all can see the final product of this thing. Yep, so y'all see, I told y'all it was a quick turnaround. And y'all can see what I got in my hand. You know. We got them things bust down on the bottom. So we look like we're ready to go. Side by side in the tub like that. But before we go, I'll show y'all how the finish is on the bottom. Real nice finish on the bottom. That's the process. Y'all see it. We're gonna get this thing here back to the house. Real careful. Closing this video right here out. Your boy Rich, everything, man. I shouldn't have to tell y'all what to do, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway, man. Push like, push that bell for the push notifications, and make sure y'all subscribe, man. Your boy Rich, everything, we out.